Hello everybody. What you're seeing here is a Gateway E4100 that I'm using as a sort of retro computer for gaming. And as you can see, that's my wallpaper from one of the Columbine RPG games. The issue that I had a moment ago, and I'm not sure how many will understand this, is I was trying to use two 1GB DDR400 sticks on a socket 478 motherboard, and this computer kept running into memory addressing errors anytime I would try to open a document or any sort of file that required memory or the queuing of memory. It would immediately crash and blue screen. So that has been my dilemma for the past half an hour. I ended up replacing the two 1GB sticks with two smaller 512 megabyte, and I'm not sure if you can see that from here, but they are Infineon 512 megabyte DDR400. So of course works fine now. I'll even play something just to test it. Let's see here, videos, and let's try the, yeah, see, okay, well, that's that. Anyway, that's the basis of this video. Hope you all have enjoyed, and I shall see you all later.